When people think of starting a print-on-demand business, often the first question they have is, where should I sell on? Should I sell on Redbubble, Teespring, Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Etsy, or merch by Amazon? There are so many different platforms that you can sell custom merch on these days. And basically, there's two kinds of ways to sell print-on-demand. Sell on e-commerce marketplaces like Redbubble or Etsy, or to build your website using commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Now I've picked Redbubble and Shopify as a representative of each kind, because I feel like they are probably the top two that I get asked about the most, or that I hear people talking about the most. So I want to break down what each one has to offer and how you should choose to use one. So let's go ahead and dive into our first platform, which is Redbubble. Let's talk about what Redbubble is. It's a marketplace and it's designed for independent artists. So if you're somebody who is creating designs and you want to sell those on merchandise, you can use Redbubble to just upload your designs and sell on any of the products that they offer. And the unique thing about Redbubble is they are a marketplace and they're going to promote the products to potential buyers for you. Right, so you don't have to do the marketing, which is the main reason that I think a lot of people use Redbubble. Because you don't have to know how to do email marketing or Facebook ads or any of these things. In theory, Redbubble will go out and promote your items for you. However, the biggest drawback to Redbubble is going to be that you don't have control of your own marketing. You're not building a brand, you're just putting out designs and hoping that they will sell and be popular. So some people can make a lot of money on that. You can put up a t-shirt and that is, a really trendy design and potentially get some sales. But you also run the risk of having to put out a lot of different designs just to find one or two that might make a few sales. And so the majority of people, in my experience, don't make money with this style of marketplace because there's so much competition and you're relying on the marketplace to sell your things for you. And this could be a way for you to just drive some extra income with some of your really creative and trendy design. And Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can build your entire brand, your entire online presence. And Shopify is a huge company. They've got over 1 million businesses. They're the go-to solution when you need to build an e-commerce online store. They have tons of flexibility. You can have branded custom domain and you're going to have the flexibility to add all kinds of different features and really customize your online store. Shopify is definitely the way to go. One huge advantage of using Shopify for POD is that you can connect with over 250 print-on-demand companies in the Shopify App Store. And so it's really easy to find a print-on-demand company and actually start listing your products. And if you don't like one of the print-on-demand companies, you've got a ton of other options. If we just search print-on-demand provider, we see there's 345 results that come up and there's always new companies popping up. It's the same thing with email marketing. If you want to build an email list so that you can acquire customers much cheaper and sell to your customers much cheaper than paying for ads. It's very easy to use. You don't need to know any code. You don't need to be some kind of tech person. It's pretty easy and you can get set up with a branded custom Shopify store in probably less than an hour. To recap everything, with a marketplace like Redbubble, you list your designs and then they're gonna do the marketing for you. And you're not gonna have the flexibility like Shopify to really build your list, build your brand, build your company. You're really just listing designs. E-commerce platform like Shopify can have a lot of customizable features and you have full control of your branded store and its marketing strategy. Thank you guys, that's all about today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you on our next one.